Today we are going to make this simple and easy sesame steak. So let's get started. All you need is 50 grams of sugar and 100 grams of sesame seeds. First, you need to heat up the pan and make sure there is no oil or water on it. Next, spread the sesame on the pan and toast it for about 2 minutes. For sugar, start with low heat, melt, and cook it until it turns brown. Mix the toasted sesame together and you are almost done! Here I'm using a non-stick baking paper. If you don't have any, you can use a grease baking plate or container instead. Now you need to shape it before it turns cold and hard. You can use a rolling pin, spoon, or bottle to make it flat. Cut when it is still hot or it will be really hard to cut it. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and if you want to see more from me, comment down below and let me know. Remember to subscribe my channel and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!